Hi, we're in Old Town Occoquan today. We're just going to walk around and see what we can find.
Hello.
This is the bridge.
That was the bridge that was
That
where?
bridge.
That's a walking bridge. That bridge came down.
That's where the waterfall is on the other end.
Yeah, let me show you some pictures. So this was the old truss bridge. It was built in 1790. This is where the park is today. Those gray things are water tanks.
Okay.
So the water company had water tanks, and you can see on the other side, you can really see the quarry. Now, if you walk there now, that's all wooded because the trees have taken back over. And then in 1972, Hurricane Agnes came through.
The water went high.
And,
Wow.
and look at this. Looks
Took
like,
down the bridge.
Oh my goodness.
looks like a piece of tinfoil, doesn't it? I mean,
Yeah, like
Wow.
nothing. Wow.
And it took the whole thing down, and that's when they built.
The bridge. They know.
Oh, okay.
That's nice. Very nice information about the Occoquan. How old is this town?
So we became incorporated in 1804, so it doesn't seem that old, but the settlers first started using this for tobacco storage in the 1730s, and like again, the mill was here 1755. There was a textile mill in the park. There was a number of mills, so it was a little industrial center. So I'm not sure what the official date is 1804, I think, and
Oh, and that was a reenactment.
reenactment.
2011. This is a wonderful place.
Well, thank you very
We
much.
find out a lot about Occoquan. We've been here a couple of times, but we never knew about it.
No, it's a really neat town. My wife found a place here, so I looked at it.
Oh, wow.
It's a good thing you bring your sweater.
Yeah. Want to go this way first?
I love that.
Oh, my goodness.
Popsicles, and they were LGBTQ.
We've never measured him. Maybe 3.5, 4 feet.
What
But I
kind
know
of
he only weighs 3 pounds.
what kind of snake is that?
Ball python.
Sorry. We'll have to come back here later.
Guys, for you.
See and
Wonderful place.
Wow.
slices.
A sit-down place right here. Oh, so nice and
Self-ordering
cool.
kiosk, you get to watch us make dough when we're super busy running out.
Oh, when you're right for you at the moment.
Yep.
It's a nice. No, you have to come in through the back.
And what's your name?
And it's Josh.
Josh, nice to meet you.
That's his mom outside.
Kathy,
They
right?
used to open December the 6th.
Oh.
They used to open the shop. It's very new, so we'll
I
come
bet your
back.
weekends are really busy here.
Very busy. I did 140 pies on Sunday all by myself. Not a single person to help. All because of the self-ordering kiosk. So,
How long you been in the
That's
business?
fantastic.
Before you started
We have
this.
2 other restaurants here in town as well. And I grew up
Oh.
yeah,
Occoquan?
in Occoquan, RJ and Grinding Creek.
Okay. Yeah, but we enjoying today coming here, nice weather.
Yeah.
Wonderful weather. You have an outside sit down
Yep,
also,
yep.
right?
And then once the weather breaks, I'm gonna have a set of stairs that will go down onto the water, like where we were standing down.
Oh,
underneath
okay.
the rock. Yeah.
Very
Space in it.
nice.
That would be nice.
All right, hey, welcome to Riverside Pizza Factory. Great spot for slices, full pies. My TikTok famous pie is the stracciatella. Perfect spot to enjoy down here. It's very cozy. It could be yours at some point. As other customers come in, you get to have a little bit of community and community, all to our merchandise here, Italian goods.
Homemade.
And you can watch them make the dough.
Yeah, as you waiting for a pizza, they wait
Wow.
And then one of our other
Sites.
hot topics is our Italian sodas.
Oh,
Limonata is my favorite.
my favorite too.
So I trained with a world-class PCO named Leo Spirizzi. He's part of Team USA.
Okay.
And that was at Pizza University. So I got a lot of passion into this space here. So
Excellent.
Nice, wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It was really nice
We're
meeting
going
you.
to be
So here we are. This is one of my favorite places in Old Town Occoquan. This is the Nasbro chocolate store. And they've got handmade chocolates that are just incredible. And my favorite is dark chocolate. And they've got a delicious homemade dark chocolate here with raisins. We're gonna go in and get it right now. We're ready for spring.
Yeah, it's the first day of nice weather. We're not in spring yet, but it's a nice weather.
Yeah.
Almost 80 degrees today.
Yeah, we're in March, but we're not in spring yet, so we're waiting for it.
A couple weeks every nice weather.
And then show the new
Because that's a very important.
the new bridge.
Also
right.
the lake. Nobody knows about that lake.
Right. They'll see it
So
on
we
the
had
drone.
nice video. It's going
Yep.
to be in the drone, so coming up soon.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, the store is called 13 Magical Moons, and we've been open over 20 years in historic Occoquan. And we are a very open store about what we sell, such as we are a witchcraft store. So we have candles, oils, herbs, incense, and we have cats. They're locked up right now, but it's busy.
Thank you very much. This is a beautiful store.
Thank you very much.
You have a wonderful day.
You as well. Take care.
you. We're here at River Mill Park in Old Town Occoquan.
At the waterfall.
Let's go take a look at the waterfall.
Yes, let's go. Lake, we found a hiding lake.
So let's
Basically
talk a little
in the
bit
mountains,
about.
on the mountains.
Let's talk a little bit about our channel because we are a brand new channel and we would love it if you would like and subscribe. We're trying to get as many people to do date nights and go out as a couple and just enjoy being outside and doing things together. And that's what we would like for this channel to inspire people to go out and have a great time.
We go out all the time. Liz, I used to let you know, we going out at least twice a week.
At least.
At least twice a week. I mean,
And one of those has to be dancing.
don't say the word. So, but the reason we can go out now is because our kids are adults. So now we did we finished with our duties of raising kids. So, but now, since we have the time, not everything is work. We have a business, a couple of businesses, but now we're enjoying going out, restaurants, going out, weekends. Like now, we're in the middle of a nice Old Town Occoquan, enjoying the nice, wonderful weather. We're relaxing after work, of course.
Yes.
And it's wonderful. It's wonderful. When we went to everyone going out, spouse, principal couples.
So we are going to be going all over the DMV, the DC metro area. That includes DC, Maryland, and Virginia. So if you have a place that you'd like us to visit and to show you guys and give our review of it or just let you know what's going on there, just
Let us know.
add a comment and we'll be right on it.
All right. Bye.